Really?
What?
Really?
What?
You want to go again?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Good.
Let's go. I got stuff to do.
I got stuff to do.
Ready? Go. Ready? Stage. You gotta. What did you just do?
Red lit.
You gotta wait till it flashes. You ready? Okay, next.
I think I won. You never said this.
416, 477.
Well, it was 416.
Go back to work.
I need my dollar back.
Taking tail in here?
I gotta get these emails sent. You're next, I guess? Here, go. Ready? You know how to do, you do know how to do this, right?
What?
Yes. Pro tree? Yes. You know how to do this, right?
Yeah, my right.
Hurry up, I gotta send an email. Let's go. Reaction time. You ready? Go. 424. Okay. See ya. You're next. This is just like riding a bike. Wait a second. The bike working?
You go first. I'll button working.
You were way red.
Why did I have to go in first?
Well, let's do it
You could've
again.
gone in first.
Okay, I'm in first.
I know.
It doesn't matter. 420. Okay, see ya.
That was?
Yeah, you lost. 427 for 56. Okay, we're ready? Go. Let's hurry up. 414, 492. See ya. 404 to 459.
Already won the race.
Who's next? Ready? Go ahead. That was a body. The light will flash, and as soon as it flashes, you let go. Okay, you ready? Yeah, you're next. Oh, engineering. This is going to be hilarious. Do you got the concept? I don't have sunglasses for you to wear. Ready? Next. Close. Okay, you ready? Ready? Push your button. Okay, so don't let me confuse you or anything, okay? You ready?
Yeah.
425 to 640. He rivals you.